Hi guys, we are starting today a 7-day juice challenge.
Hey.
Because we ate a lot of sweets and fat and stuff for Christmas. Yeah, he ordered. And so we decided to do this challenge with Jason Valley. He has a channel on YouTube. I'll put the link in the description below. And he started a juice challenge today for 7 days. So we are doing it as well. We have an app from Jason Valley with a lot of recipes for the juices and we are following it. So this is the juice from 11 o'clock.
6 juices per day?
Yeah, 6 juices per day. The juice in the morning, we decided, because we already started drinking juice in the morning. So we are drinking celery juice in the morning.
Every morning?
Every morning. So we decided to stick with the celery juice for the morning, but the rest we're following his recipes. So this juice, we have 2 apples, 1/4 of pineapple, cucumber, one quarter of cucumber, but our cucumber was small, so we put half of it, half lime, 1/4 of avocado, and the recipe has 1 shot of wheatgrass, but since we didn't have wheatgrass, we did some research and we figured the spinach has a good substitute for wheatgrass, so we are using spinach instead. It's delicious.
Yeah, it's a meal. It's very heavy.
It's very heavy
to drink.
And it's 6 juices a day, 1 8 o'clock, 1 11 o'clock, and every 3 hours you have a juice. And what else? We'll vlog every day. So this video you are seeing on Tuesday. We are filming on Monday, so we're always posting the video the next day for you with all the juices for the day.
All the juices, the weighing, the progress, the happiness.
Yeah, the way we started with the way we will put here for you too. The start and the end of it.
Yeah, so basically we will post videos now every day.
Until next Monday.
Every afternoon. But don't be afraid, it's not going to be, we're going to be a food vlog now or a healthy vlog, because I will not keep up with that for very long. I need my beer. By the way, talking about beer, I was talking to Patricia and saying that beer is actually a barley juice. Of course, it was distilled and a little bit processed, but basically it is a juice. So please leave the comments below and vote for my for my
barley juice.
For my take on it, that barley juice should be added to a juice challenge, because otherwise it's not a juice challenge.
Fermented barley juice, yeah.
Yeah.
But then I would take fermented grape juice.
Yeah, but then she drinks one. So yeah, just let me know if barley juice beer, so to speak, counts as a juice.
No.
So that's it, guys.
We will vlog more later.
Yeah, we have to juice way more. So we are most of the time we'll spend in the kitchen juicing, cleaning the juicer, filming, and then juicing and cleaning the kitchen and filming again, and then we juice and clean and so on. Bye guys, see you later.
Sorry guys, the audio in this part was off, but I was just saying the colors of this juice is amazing, and this juice is apple, carrot, celery, beetroot, cucumber, lemon, ginger, so it's very delicious. I'll put the recipes later for you.
Cheers. Now guys, this is juice number 4. It's 5 p.m. now. So far, we're feeling good. It's a lot of juice to drink, so we don't really feel hungry. She's making a mess, but no worries, I'll clean it later.
With some pulp from the avocado. No, I have a little bit of headache, but I believe it's because the lack of coffee. But apart from that, everything is normal. We didn't feel hungry, and that's it.
That's it. See you guys at 8 p.m.
8 o'clock, yeah.
See you then.
Guys, this is the 8 o'clock juice. It's 2 carrots, 2 carrots, 2 apples.
1.5 carrots.
Yeah, 1.5 carrots, because we ran out of carrots. But should be 2 carrots, 2 apples, a piece of ginger, and a quarter of lemon. That's it?
That's it.
So this is the 8 o'clock. After this one, we have one other juice, 9 o'clock. It's just 2 apples and hot water. We'll film later.
And cinnamon.
Yeah, and hot water and cinnamon. But this is the end of our big messy juice day, the first day. So far, I'm fine. I didn't feel any hungry. I felt like eating, but it's just because you're just used to chew all the time.
Especially cheese.
Yeah, you too. But I didn't really feel hungry. I had a little bit of headache. Now it's getting a little bit better. I think it's because of the coffee, but that's it.
Okay.
So you have something to say?
Yeah, just so we're gonna enjoy this juice.
Yeah.
Afterwards at 9 p.m. we won't film anymore because we need to be on the couch and watch some Netflix.
Yeah, we'll do just a short video showing you the last juice and that's
So,
it. Yeah.
Well, she's the boss, what do I know?
So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, good night.
So for this one, the last one from the 9 o'clock, you just have the juice of 2 apples and a pinch of cinnamon. Just add hot water. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next videos, and be with us.